I'm going to make a quick video here of the footing drains, installing the drain rock with the cloth over the top. And as you can see, this is what I'm doing. There's the cloth and it's coming out of the rock. I actually have cloth on the side where the dirt is here, just to help filter any water that might be going that way. And then have rock laid out over the pipe. And then over the top of that, once I get it inspected so they can see that I'm doing it right, there's about 4.5 to 6 inches of rock over the pipe. And then the cloth and then your rock. That's normally for when you are going to be putting soil down over the top in the backfill of that. But I will not. I will be using all drain rock, as I will probably put a sidewalk around the whole house once it's all completed. Or I could leave it all drain rock and put an edge on it, concrete edge, and put some 2x2 pads and put big old vases on it with plants or shrubs or something around it. But for now, this is where we're at. Tomorrow we'll be getting the inspection for the footing drains, the tight lines, and the dry well. And they just basically want to see that I'm doing it correctly. And then they'll inspect the pads out there to make sure they're the right size. And then we'll get that signed off and I'll be ready to backfill. And we've talked to a framer who's hopefully going to get back with me here before the end of the week, and possibly next week we could start framing. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.